Hey grade 5, we're going to try to do a quick spreadsheets. This is going to be using Google Spreadsheets, and this will help you with your $1 million project. Help just keep the track of stuff. It's really interesting, difficult if you do things wrong. It can get confusing, but so easy if you follow these steps. Excel is the Microsoft Word product, but we're going to actually be doing this in Google Drive. Here I am in my Drive. I've already clicked on my bookmark for Drive. Create spreadsheet. This is our good guy here. Now, oftentimes people will talk about Microsoft Excel as kind of the thing. Google's kind of copied them. But if you can become an Excel or a spreadsheet wizard, you'll go places. This is hard to do, but so good. So first thing I've done is I've selected A through F of row 1, and I'm going to merge this button here. Looks like 2 boxes pushing together. And what we're doing is we're going to take these 6 boxes, we're going to push them all together just by clicking it. The lines went away. This is now 1 box in here. Okay, and I'm going to just click in here and I'm going to give it a title. All right, I can take this now and I can select it and I can change the size and make it bold and do all kinds of other interesting stuff to it. Let's make it centered as well. There you go, I've got a title. Let's put the same title up here. This is untitled. Let's rename it. And anytime you're naming things in your Drive, you want to put your name on it if you think you might be sharing with a teacher. And I'm not sure if your teachers will want to look at this or not. So put your name on it so they can see who made it. But also put in what it is. Okay, give it a name so you'll remember it. And that name will go up here. Okay, so here I am, I'm ready. First thing, I'm going to go in A2 now. I'm going to go down here. This A through F of row 1 is my title. But A2 I'm going to put in item. Okay, these are just headings. B2, I'm going to say quantity. All right. Item cost. Say total cost. I'm not sure if that's the best word for it because I want to get, and well, I need to spell it correctly. Running total is going to go in here. We're going to make formulas. So this item is going to go in here where it could be, let's say I want to buy a hat and I only want to buy 2 hats, one for odd days of the week, one for even. Item cost, if the hat is $20, we're not going to put the units. You can, it's not going to throw things up. Well, sure, let's put $20. Sure, it doesn't really matter. And total cost, now I don't want to actually have to do any math myself. I'm lazy. So the total cost, I'm going to put a formula in there. And I can use this button over here that's hidden. I don't even know where it went. That says formulas, but I can do the formula myself. It's pretty easy. I can put total cost equals, and I can come over here and click. I can click product. Product. I'm going to click this one and this one. Oh. It works a little different than Excel. So in Excel, you can just click both. This one I have to hit click 1, and I'm going to hit comma. Second one, enter. And it's done the math for me. It's multiplied this times this to this. Now it should have my units. This is where Google kind of drops the ball, but we know it's dollars. It's okay. Okay, let's try another item. Let's ignore running total for right now. Let's try another item. So I want to get a bike for me and a few friends. Let's say I want to get 5 bikes, and they're each going to cost, let's say $180 each. Okay. Now it hasn't done this for me yet, but this is where I want to just take this formula I've already made and I want to drag it down. So see this little square in here? When I go on top of the square, I get this little plus sign. I'm going to take this and drag it down. You can drag as low as you want. I'm going to go down there, and there we go. It's filled that formula all the way down, and you'll see that this 5 times 180, it's done the math instantly for me. I love it. I'm super lazy. This is great. Okay, running total. Running total is going to be another formula, and I want to just take This first one is pretty easy. The running total equals this. Done. Right? This running total for this next one, though, is now a little different. It's equals this plus this. Done. So all I did there is I said, I put an equals. Equals tells the computer that I'm doing a formula, and I clicked this, and I hit the plus key, and this one. So again, if I go in here, you'll see this formula right here. It equals D4, E3 added together. I had to hit the equals, and I clicked and clicked for the D4 and E3. So again, I got this in there. Once again, I can use my drag for this formula. I just find this little box here. I go on top of my plus sign, drag this down, and it's going to spread it out. Whoops, I fumbled my clicking. Okay, the running total right now is 940. It looks a little ugly that it's just written there, but we can keep adding items as far as we want now. I can say I want to buy a car, and I'm only going to buy one of them, but it's going to cost me $37,000. Okay, and notice how it's automatically updated my running total. So it's pretty cool. I'm not sure how you guys are going to end up using this in the end. If you have more needs to make fancier calculations, you can do that. I can help you with that later, but for right now, I hope that helps.